favorite part was really the atmosphere of the entire ride. It really felt that it captured the essence of being in a submarine under the water with all these fish surrounding you.
My favorite part was the giant octopus that came at me. Me and all my friends were trying to shoot him. We finally beat him, and that Kraken Queen came out, and that one blew me away. I mean, the animation was so just crazy. It was right there in front of me.
The coolest experience that I couldn't get anywhere else but Knott's Berry Farm.